everyone, welcome back to 6 p.m. Crypto News, and thank you once again for joining me. Everyone is watching the Football World Cup right now that is being held in Russia. Whilst the sport activities have been very exciting, something very special has happened during the event as well. Hyundai, digital asset company, HDAC paid to air a television commercial for its blockchain solution-based services during this year's World Cup in Russia. And while it was only a little over half a minute, it's something of a first. HDAC technology is building the future with a blockchain solution. The spot immediately highlights at the screen's bottom. HDAC technology platform is smart and secure. Thanks to the blockchain solution, the ad concludes. Estimates of viewership along with overall World Cup awareness around the world include nearly half the population. Ads like theirs can run $300,000 per airing, and HDAC has scheduled 80 spots throughout the tournament. Did you see it? Moving on to China, whilst we thought there was a complete ban, there seems to be some future changes that are in the making. In the next 3 years, blockchain technology is forecast to be widely adopted in sectors such as product traceability, copyright protection, bill verification, precision marketing, energy, and healthcare in China, said Yu Jianning, director of the Institute of Industrial Economics at the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology. He said smart contracts, the coding in the blockchain that allows transactions to take place, can help deal with the uncertainty and complexity of the real world, while enhancing reliability. The year 2017 marked a peak year for blockchain development in China, with 178 new companies in the sector. Inventors flocked into the market with nearly 100 equity stock investment deals in the year alone, a record in recent years. Between January and March this year, the number of equity investment deals exceeded 68. Besides startup companies, technology giants such as Alibaba Group Holding Limited are exploring blockchain's potential uses. In June, Alibaba's Ant Financial Service Group partnered with Philippine telecommunication giant Globe Telecom to offer real-time cross-border remittance services for individuals and small and medium-sized enterprises. In December, the Standardization Administration of China approved a project to establish the country's first national industry standards for blockchain technology. These standards are expected as soon as the end of 2019, according to the Economic Information Daily, citing Li Ming, director of the Blockchain Research Institute at the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology. They will cover operations and applications, processing and methodology, and information security. Tech giant LG has signed a deal with Ubank, the team behind Bitcoin Market. The Ubank mobile payment app will be pre-installed on LG smartphones that will be made available in various global markets. South Korean LG Electronics is one of the largest consumer electronics companies and smartphone manufacturers in the world, with over 83,000 employees in its target markets of South Korea, North America, and Europe. The company made $57.1 billion in revenue in 2017, up from $52.04 billion in 2016. Bitcoin Market, a blockchain-based platform, allows people to acquire cryptocurrency and exchange it for real goods. It's geared for consumers who want to participate in the growing digital economy and who may or may not mine or invest in cryptocurrencies. Its main goal is to bring 200 million new retail investors to crypto by eliminating all fiat obstacles on the way to crypto. Looks like more and more big companies are getting interested in the blockchain technology. We absolutely love it. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, is examining an application from the Chicago Board Options Exchange, or CBOE, Global Markets, which, if approved, could grant the company a coveted Bitcoin ETF license and bring new waves of institutional investors to the Bitcoin arena. The process began in June 2018 when the SEC recently sought comments from industry professionals regarding the ETF in question, which is being offered through the VanEck SolidX Bitcoin Trust, a joint venture between financial firms VanEck and SolidX. The application is the trust's third attempt to garner any such license. The first two attempts were rejected in early 2017. Regulators of the SEC also announced in the late June that they were working on an outline for newer and less restrictive legislation regarding open-ended and low-risk ETFs to increase innovation in the financial space. This could potentially boost the trust's chances along with other ventures seeking to establish Bitcoin ETFs in the future. Several financial giants have commented that Bitcoin-based ETFs are crucial to financial innovation, with companies like JP Morgan calling them the holy grail for owners and investors back in February 2018. Should CBOE's application be passed, client investment options will open in the first quarter of 2019. Is the third time the lucky charm? Let's end today's show with an update on the progress of the Bitcoin Lightning Network. The capacity of the Lightning Network, a micropayment channel that is compatible with segregated bitness or SegBit, and a layer 2 scaling solution deployed on top of the Bitcoin protocol has increased by 68% in the past 30 days. Eric Zielinski, a software developer and Bitcoin researcher, revealed the total sum of micropayment channels on the Lightning Network has risen from 23 BTC to 38.6 BTC, increasing by around 2.2% on average per day. Second-layer scaling solutions like the Lightning Network are capable of processing small transactions efficiently, without imposing immense pressure on the main chain or the main Bitcoin network. Plasma on Ethereum operates similarly to Lightning, which is also created by the Lightning author. Most major blockchain projects and developers are focusing on improving Layer 2 solutions to ensure that in the next bull market, even amidst high demand and large spikes in daily volume, public blockchain networks will be able to handle small and large-scale on- and off-chain. Anyway, it's time to say goodbye to all of you. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Hope to see you again on Friday at exactly 6 p.m. Again, my name is Vicky, and this is 6 p.m. Crypto News. Annyeong! Bye!